Hey, hi there. Welcome back to the channel Testers Jones. So again, I'm back with a very interesting topic, and the topic is what is difference between user acceptance testing and a beta testing. So before going into depth, I would like to explain a first thing like what is difference between service and product based company and how we differ these two companies. So service based company in the sense like you will have client and you will be having requirement which is given by the client, and on basis of that only you are going to create a product. In the sense at the end you will have someone who can verify that product and can say like okay, the product is as per business need. But in case of product based company, you will not having a the kind of client who can give you the surety like okay, this product is working fine and I'm going to accept it, because you will be analyzing the market and market analysis. In the sense you will have a person called product analyst who will be analyzing the market, and based on that they are going to create a product which will help end users as per their need. So you will not have a the fixed client who can use that and give you the certain kind of feedback. So in that case we will be totally relying on the outer users, or better to say we will be totally relying on the end users who are actually going to use that product. So these two types of company mainly exists. Now this is the difference between service and product based company, and I'm going to deal with today's topic, and the topic is first beta testing and second is user acceptance testing. So as I said, like in case of service based company, we will have a fixed client for whom we are going to create the product. So at the end, suppose if your product have developed and now this is time to give the demo to the user, or you can say the client, they are going to use that product. So they will be looking towards the business need, like yeah, business need is going to achieve using this product and this product is as per our requirement, then they are going to accept the product. So going to accept the product in the sense like they will be doing the kind of acceptance testing, that is called a user acceptance testing, because user is going to accept the product based on their the testing cycle. So those kind of testing is known as the user acceptance testing, where user is going to accept the product based on their testing. And is beta testing. Beta testing in the sense, as I said, like in the product based company, we will not having a fixed user or fixed client who can give you the the product overview or product feedback. So what we do, we create a product, and at the end we will be putting that product at some place from where the user can download it and use that product. So that is known as the kind of server, or better to say the play store, where the beta version of any application the product based company used to put, from there we can take that product and use that product. So that will not be the the full fledged kind of a product, or you can say this is not the end product or the kind of fixed release from the company side. That is something like it is in under progress. User can use it and they can give the feedback like what actually what actually they like, and which are all features they don't like, and what kind of suggestion they can give to increase the product productivity and enhance the product basically. So they can give their feedback. So based on that feedback, developer can enhance the feature of the existing product, and they can do the kind of research whether those kind of the suggestion is feasible in the current product or not. If yes, they will discuss with their team leads, and if they are going to finalize that, yeah, this is a kind of things which we can develop and that will give a very good the impact to the end users, they will be enhancing that one. So here what we are doing, we are giving the feature to the end user. End user is going to use that and they are going to give the feedback, and that all will happen on the beta kind of uh, release version, or beta kind of the product release. We will be enhancing all those things if it is feasible, and we are giving the final product, final release of that product for the end users. So before giving the final product, we were taking the feedback with the help of a beta version of that product, beta release of that product. So that kind of feedback taking process with the help of a beta release of the product is known as a beta testing. So this is the basic difference between UAT and beta testing. UAT always happens when the client is fixed and we know who the client is, and they are going to give the feedback at the end of the development, and they're going to accept the product. Beta in the sense, we will not be having any fixed client. We are using the our market research knowledge to create a product and finally keeping it on a server for end users, and that is the beta kind of release, beta kind of product version. And after taking the feedback from the users, after using that beta, the build, we are going to give a full-fledged final product to the users. Now, I hope you would be very much clear on this topic, because this is the kind of topic you will not be getting much details. And because of that, most of the people used to get into the confusion. So I hope this was very interesting knowledge, or very interesting information for you guys. And still, if you have any kind of question on this topic, please make a comment, and definitely I will be giving you the reply, guys. So thanks for watching, guys. Thanks a lot. Stay safe. Happy learning. Bye bye.